Welcome to the Your Ordinary Toyota SUV. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of Lexus luxury lineup, but take a closer look, and you'll realize this is a custom-built transformation that takes the original design to an entirely new level. From the front, the most striking change is the grille. A bold, Lexus-style design replaces the stock Toyota front, giving the SUV a premium and aggressive look. The sharp LED headlights complement the sleek lines, making the front fascia look even more modern and high-end. But that's just the beginning. Moving down, the bumper has been completely reworked with a more aerodynamic and sporty design. Large air intakes on either side, blacked-out accents, and a lower splitter add a racing-inspired touch, making this SUV stand out on the road. Every detail has been carefully crafted to elevate the presence of this vehicle. The hood features subtle creases that flow seamlessly into the front design, enhancing its muscular stance. And with the pearl white paint job, the reflections on the bodywork bring out every angle, making the design pop in any lighting condition. Stepping to the side, the custom modifications continue. The body kit extends along the lower panels, creating a lowered and more planted look. The blacked-out side mirrors and window trims add contrast, making the vehicle look even sleeker. The wheels? They're a perfect fit, large, multi-spoke alloys that complete the premium aesthetic. From this angle, you can also see how the aggressive front styling transitions smoothly into the rest of the body, keeping everything cohesive. The lowered stance, combined with these visual upgrades, gives the SUV a road presence that commands attention. As we move towards the rear, the modifications continue with a custom rear bumper and diffuser, ensuring that this Lexus-inspired transformation looks just as good from the back. The subtle lip spoiler adds a sporty touch, completing the overall aesthetic. Every aspect of this build has been designed to make a statement. Whether you're cruising through the city or pulling up at an event, this modified SUV guarantees that all eyes will be on it. What do you think about this custom Lexus-style transformation? Does it pull off the luxury look, or do you prefer the stock design? Let us know in the comments. And if you love unique car builds like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.